Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bosch smart water leak sensors to Alexa, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Bosch Smart Home app on your smartphone. Log into your Bosch account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Ensure your Bosch smart water leak sensors are already set up and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the device's icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Devices menu, select Add Device. Choose Security from the list of device types. Select Water Leak Sensor from the options presented. Now, tap on Discover Devices to allow Alexa to search for your Bosch sensors. Once Alexa finds your water leak sensors, she will provide confirmation. You can now assign the sensors to a specific room for easier management. To do this, select the sensor you want to assign and tap Edit. Choose the appropriate room from the list or create a new room if necessary. After assigning the rooms, return to the main Devices menu. You can now create a custom name for each sensor for easier voice control. To rename a device, select the sensor, tap Edit, and enter the new name. Once you have customized the sensors, exit the Devices menu. Now it's time to test the connection with Alexa. Say, "Alexa, turn on sensor name," to check if she recognizes the command. If Alexa responds correctly, your setup is successful. To set up routines, go back to the Alexa app. Tap on More in the bottom right corner and select Routines. Press the plus icon to create a new routine. Name your routine and choose a trigger event, such as detecting a water leak. Define the actions you want Alexa to take when the routine is triggered. Save the routine and exit the menu. Now you are all set to enjoy smart notifications and control of your Bosch water leak sensors through Alexa. You can also ask Alexa for the status of your sensors at any time. For example, say, "Alexa, what is the status of my water leak sensors?" Now you can monitor leaks effortlessly with the integration between Bosch and Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.